Hi, crypto family, it's Matt. Today I'm super excited to introduce you to an amazing tool, a fully automated trading platform that's secure and designed to maximize your crypto earnings. So listen carefully, because Tradeasy will change the way you trade forever. Let's start with simplicity. Tradeasy.me is designed to be so simple, it's literally the Apple of crypto trading platforms. Whether you are a total beginner or an experienced trader, navigating this site is a breeze. A super clear dashboard that shows you exactly what's going on with your trades in real time. Security and risk management. Let's be honest, crypto trading is exciting, but it's also volatile, and that's where Tradeasy's risk management tools come into play. Thanks to API keys, your capital remains under your control directly in your account. We have no direct access to it. Only transactions are executed, ensuring maximum security for your assets. Did I mention that they only do spot trading? No risky futures trading here. This means that you avoid the risk of insane liquidation. No more panicked wake-ups in front of red screens because of a market crash. Tradeasy has you covered. Then automation. You don't want to be glued to your screen 24/7. Tradeasy's automated trading bots are a real game changer that can trade for you while you relax or sleep. Let's talk about performance. It's a very high-level friends with breathtaking performances, and guess what? You can backtest your strategies with Tradeasy's integration on TradingView. This means that you can literally go back in time and see how the strategy would have worked. Over the past 4 years, they have posted an average return of 4,000% on almost 2,000 different cryptos. Yes, you heard that right, 4,000% on average, no matter what crypto is traded. And that's not all. Tradeasy's strategies outperformed 97% of cryptos compared to the classic buy and hold method. That's a huge advantage in this game. 82% of cryptos traded using Tradeasy's strategies were profitable in backtesting. Go check the performance yourself. Go to tradeasy.me and click on the Performance tab on the homepage. You'll find a treasure trove of data here. You'll see a comparison between the returns on the 4 exchanges where Tradeasy has a presence: Binance, HTX, KuCoin, and Kraken, and a summary of the average returns since January 2020. The best thing is that you can compare the buy and hold of each crypto on these exchanges with Tradeasy's automated strategies. In addition, you will have detailed statistics for the 100 most profitable pairs. And that's not all. If you click on Tradeasy Top Pairs, here's what you'll get: the top 100 pairs by exchange. Here you will find everything you need about the name of the crypto, its current price, the 24-hour volume, and the percentage changes over different time frames. You will also see the current market cap and profits generated by Tradeasy compared to the buy and hold strategy. Here's the best. If you want to check this yourself, go to the end of the line and click on the TradingView link. This will open the specific chart for that pair on TradingView. Then go back to Tradeasy, scroll down the page, and click the button to add the Tradeasy backtesting script to your TradingView chart. What are the steps to see results? First, make sure you're registered on TradingView to save the backtesting script. Add it to your chart and switch to the 1-hour time frame. Then go to the Tradeasy settings and double-click OK in the security boxes to unblock the data. Once done, the backtesting results will be displayed right in front of you. Now remember that TradingView limits data to 21,000 bar. You won't see results until January 2022, unless you dive into an in-depth backtest. For this, you will need a premium membership. Then simply click on Deep Backtesting, select the first available date, and choose today as the end date. Click on Generate Report and you'll see the results using TradingView's historical data for that particular crypto. That's where it gets really exciting. On the overview page, you will see that Tradeasy consistently outperforms the buy and hold strategy. You will have a complete overview of your net profit in dollars or percentage based on a $100 investment from the selected date. You will also see the total number of trades, profit percentage, profit factor, max drawdown, maximum investment drop, average trade value, and average time between each trade. The performance summary will also show you how much you would have earned using the buy and hold strategy over the same period. And for the real data geeks, The trade list shows every trade made using the Tradeasy strategy. Worried about costs? Don't panic. Tradeasy offers flexible subscription plans suitable for all types of traders, whether you're a casual investor or a pro at crypto trading. Tradeasy offers 3 flexible plans. First, conservative plan, 1% per month of the capital you want to trade, and 0% of profits are reinvested to keep cash available. Second, adventurer plan, 2% per month of the capital you want to trade, and 50% of the profits are reinvested. Third, courageous plan, 3% per month of the capital you want to trade, and 100% of the profits are reinvested. And the installation? Simply sign up on Tradeasy, select your exchange, and watch the how-to video to connect your account and start your Tradeasy bot in minutes. And if the market crashes or you need to get out of cash, you can stop your bot at any time and convert your funds into stablecoins in just a few minutes. In summary, folks, Tradeasy.me is your all-in-one solution. Automation? Check. Risk management? Check. Performance? Check. If you're ready to take your crypto trading to the next level, head over to Tradeasy.me today. Sign up. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tips and tools.